Hi there, Poppin PJ here, and we're going to make some scrapwood pumpkins. I am just mixing together leftovers of orange paint in this bowl here, just mixing them all together to make a cool orange color. I am going to be doing a crackle technique finish on this scrapwood pumpkin, and I will be using some Elmer's glue, placing a good coat of glue over the piece of scrap wood, making sure to coat the surface completely. Next, I will take my orange paint and just skim it very lightly over the top of the Elmer's glue, covering the entire surface of the board. Then we just wait and let it dry, and this is the look you get. I am going to be using another piece of scrap wood that I'm going to cut in a triangular shape that is going to be the stand for our pumpkin. I always save my smaller pieces of scrap wood for things like this. Next, I'm just laying down a coat of wood glue that I'm going to use to adhere this stand to the back of the rustic pumpkin. Now that it has dried, I'm going to take and make a hole through the top of the scrapwood pumpkin here, where I'm going to be placing a stem. I just grabbed a stick that fell on my deck. I'm placing it into the hole I made and then cutting it to the size I want it to be. Now the next part of this craft I'm showing on a different piece of scrap wood, but the technique is the same. I am just taking sticks or branches that I found in my yard, and I cut them to different sizes, and I'm using hot glue, putting it on the sticks, and then placing them on the rustic piece of wood that I have made for the pumpkin. I purchased this bag of raffia at Hobby Lobby. It has 3 different colors, and so I'm opening the bag. I will be taking the raffia out. I also have some leaves I spray painted yellow and then put a clear coat on that I'm going to use to embellish the pumpkin. And I'm taking a piece of raffia, tying it around the stem of the leaf, and then taking and tying that around the stem of the pumpkin and using a little hot glue to help adhere it down. I want the leaf to lay flat on the pumpkin, so I'm just going to hot glue it down right here. Here are all of my fall pumpkins I did this year, and I will be giving one to each of my neighbors. Happy fall, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like and share, and as always, thank you.